a new immersive way to practice common conversations like ordering at a cafe, going shopping at a local store, and even dealing with those awkward, unexpected moments. Prepare your language skills for the real world without all the pressure. Start learning today with adventures on Duolingo.
Okay guys, what you feel after you watch that video? Interesting about these apps? That's like games and fun? If you don't know this application, in this occasion, I will tell you or review about this application. Because in modern era or in this on future, we must learn the international language. Especially we are a student and must learn about the international language. So this application called Duolingo. You can see Duolingo is application for learning various language, and this application is packaged like a game and very fun to use this application. And now this application has been installed more than 500 million in Play Store and get pretty positive review in Play Store. For the next, I will explain about the feature and what's benefit if you download this application. You can see Duolingo have a feature like made like a game and making user not bored to an enthusiast learning about the language in this application. This application presents various languages that we can choose and we can learn from this application. As in the video, you can see that's a lot about the language you want to. Another feature is learning like level or stage to stage. That's when we have learned or complete the stage, we will continue to the next stage and higher the level. And more or the higher level, it's more difficult. So that's help us learning about the language. Each stage will use the different words and interactive learning. The learning profile, it's like translating English if you choose the English, and listening about the sound given by this application, and we must choose the right text about the sound. If we are wrong causing the text, we will justification on the word. Okay, this is easy and good for maybe good for newbie or beginner. In Duolingo, they can also learn by listening, so we not only learn a word through text, but we can also learn talk sound, so that improve us learning in this language. Like this, you can see in right or left the video, like you listening about the language. That's I think all of the feature and benefit you get if you download this application. In Duolingo have weakness, and I think it's user the can be eliminated in this Duolingo. The weakness is if you have a 5 hertz, and which means that when we have our right to wait hertz is reflected in the few hours. That's so I'm on board, but uh, maybe until few hours, and it's very don't. Then, or if you do not favor, you can pay for the subscription like this in order to have a full access without hurt and limit and not advertisement. This is quite annoying if one wants to learn and serious in this application. And the next, I will comparison about the Duolingo and another application. Compared to application, Duolingo have a lot about the language. There's 23 language in Duolingo, and in Lingodeer there's offers 16 language, and then in another application more, or that's not more than Duolingo. Duolingo still has a price that's still affordable compared to the other application for the subscription, and also learning method that it's very different from other application where Duolingo is more like language learning, like playing a game. So that's all of the feature and comparison about another application in Duolingo, and appreciation to that is so interesting Duolingo. So I recommended to you to download this application if you want to learn about the language, and because of the level to level difficult that's adjust and user, in my opinion this application very helpful and easy for most people. And then what are you waiting? Just download this application and start learning with. Okay, see you in another discussion. Bye.